Many of my subscribers are asking me to create a video related with Bootstrap Progress Bar. So if you want to also create a Bootstrap Progress Bar, then you have to watch this entire video. After watching this entire video only, you will be also able to create a Bootstrap Progressive Bar. So after learning the Progressive Bar, you can create any types of Progressive Bar with the help of Bootstrap. So without any delay, let's start.
Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about the Bootstrap 5 progress bar. Okay, a progress bar can be used to show how far a user is in a process. Okay, so it is one of the useful thing. So if you want to also create a progress bar, so it's too much easy. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. So first of all, I'm going to copy this one. Okay, so just you have to go in the getbootstrap.com and you have to click in the docs. After that, you will get this page and you have to copy this file. Okay, I'm going to in the Sublime Text. You can use any type of your favorite text editor, but in this time I'm using Sublime Text, and I'm pressing Ctrl plus N here. Then I'm pasting this one and Ctrl plus S. Then after that I'm giving the name. Okay, I'm just giving the name 13 bootstrap progress bar.html. Okay, then after that I'm just changing the title also, progress bar, and I'm just changing the progress bar here also, progress bar, like that, and I'm saving it. After that I'm going to create a bootstrap progress bar. Okay, so for that one I'm just creating a div. So inside div, again I'm using another div. This is the parent div and this is child div. Okay, so you have to understand like that. After that I'm giving a class for this one. So the class should be progress minus bar. Okay, and here I'm just giving another class here. So for this one I'm just using progress. Okay, like that. And I'm just giving the style also here. Style is called to width. I'm just giving 70%. Okay. Okay. So I'm just giving closing the CSS and saving it. And I'm going to right click and I'm clicking in open in browser. So now you can see my progress bar is came inside my website, right? So I can easily change the bootstrap size also. Okay, so for that one I can use the inline CSS. For that one I'm just copying this one. I'm pressing Ctrl plus C and I'm pasting this one here. If I want to increase the height, just I have to type height here, and you can keep 100 px as per your requirement, like that. Okay, okay, so it is not 100 px, 100 px, like that, and I'm saving it and I'm reloading my progress bar. So now we can see here is a progress bar, right? So in this way you can create a progress bar. So I'm just giving the break here, br tag, and now I'm saving it. Okay, so now we can see my progress bar came here. Then after that I'm just changing the width also. I'm just giving 40%, and let me check what will happen. So now we can see my progress bar came in the 40%. So in this way you can change. Okay, okay, so if I want to change the height, so I am going to give the style here, and I am just using a height property, and height should be 100 px, 100 px, and I am closing this one and I'm saving it, and I'm checking my progress bar. So now we can see here my progress bar height became larger than before, right? So if I make it 20 px, sorry, 20, what's happening here? 20 px, let me check what will happen. Oh, I'm loading this one. So now we can see my progress bar size became smaller, right? Okay. So if I want to give the text, you can easily use this one. For this one, just you have to give here text. For example, I'm just giving here a 40%, 40%. Okay. And I'm saving it and reloading this one in my web page. Okay, so now you can see it is still not working, right? Okay, I'm just saving by pressing Ctrl plus H. And let me check what will happen. It's still not working, right? Okay, so I'm just using here 70%. If I use this one, okay, now you can see here is a 70% available, right? So in this way you can use the progress bar label also. Okay, and you can use the progress bar color also. So you can easily use this one. For that one, you have to use the BG class. For example, if I want to change the progress bar color here, just you have to give BG minus info. If I use this one, let me check what will happen. So now we can say my progress bar color changed, right? So if I use the BG color in the warning, my BG color will be changed. So now now you can see here my progress bar color is changed, right? So in this way you can change the progress bar color, and you can use the stripe type of the progress bar also. Okay, so for that one, just you have to type just I'm going to in my Sublime text, and I'm just changing this one in the progress minus bar minus striped. If I save it and if I reload this one, so now we can see my progress bar changed into the stripe color, right? So if I change this one in the, so I'm going to change this one, progress minus bar minus striped. Let me save it. Oh, so now after that I'm reloading this one. So now you can see my progress bar is changed, right? And you can create the animated progress bar also. For that one, just you have to add another class. Okay, so for that one, I'm just copying this code. After that, I'm pasting this one, and I'm just giving here a name. That name should be progress minus bar minus animated, and I'm saving it. After that, I'm reloading this one. Okay, so still it is not working, right? Okay, so I'm just going to remove this one. Okay, then after that I'm going to remove this one also. I'm going to remove this one. Then I'm just changing BR tag. Okay, so now you can see here my another progress bar is created, right? Okay, so now if I use this one in the progress bar minus animated, maybe it should work. Animated. Maybe my spelling is wrong. Progress minus bar minus animated. Okay, maybe it is not working in this time, but it should work. Okay, it is not working, right? So hoping that it will not work. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so now we are discussing about the multiple progress bar. So if you want to use the multiple progress bar, just you have to use a div, and you have to create another div. Okay, so for that one, just you have to, first of all, you have to create a class that is progress. And for the child div, I'm just giving a class, and I'm just using progress minus bar and bg minus info. Okay, and I'm just giving the width. Okay, so style is equal to width is equal to 20% only. Okay, then after that I'm just giving here 20%. Okay, then inside this div I have to create another child div here, and I'm again using a class here, and class is progress minus bar bg minus tensor. Then I am just giving again style here, and I am just giving width, and width should be 40%. like that, and I'm just giving here 40%. Okay, so again I'm creating another div here. Okay, and I'm creating I'm again giving the 20% only here. So for this one again I'm creating a class. Okay, I'm creating a class here. Class should be progress minus bar bg minus primary. Okay, like that. And I'm using my style the attribute again, and I'm just giving width. Width is equal to, I'm using 20%, and I'm saving it. And let me check what will happen. So now we can see here I have a progress bar which contains 3 child and progress bar, right? So in this way you can use multiple progress bar. So hoping that you get few ideas about the progress bar, and I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.